You can use Excel to add numbers using formulas, buttons, and functions. Let's take a look. You add numbers in cells by using formulas. A formula always starts with the equal sign. I then enter a number, then a plus sign, then another number, and press Enter. And the cell displays the results. You can add many numbers this way, not just 2. Instead of adding numbers within a cell, you can also reference cells to make adding a bit easier. B2 is equal to 6. B3 is equal to 3. I'll create a formula that adds the cells. I start with an equal sign, click a cell that I want to add, then a plus sign, and then another cell, and press Enter. If I change a number in a cell, the results automatically update. You can also add many cells this way, not just 2. You can even add cells and numbers. I start with the equal sign, click a cell I want to add, then a plus sign, then another cell, then another plus sign, the number, and press Enter. When you double-click a cell, you can see if it has a number or a formula. Or you can look up here in the formula bar. AutoSum makes it easy to add adjacent cells in rows and columns. Click the cell below a column of adjacent cells or to the right of a row of adjacent cells. Then, on the Home tab, click AutoSum and press Enter. Excel adds all of the cells into column or row. It's really handy. The keyboard shortcut for AutoSum is Alt equals. You can even select an adjacent group of cells and an extra column and row. Click AutoSum, and you get the sum for each row and column and a grand total. AutoSum has a number of options. Choose an option, such as average, and Excel calculates the average for the row. To copy a cell in its formula, click the cell, point to the bottom right of the cell border so that you see a plus sign, hold down your left mouse button, and drag it to the right for a column or down for a row. And the formula is copied into the new cells. Up next, the sum function.